Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add your own music to Instagram story. So first and foremost, what you're going to do here is you have to launch your Instagram application. Now you can use your screen record or just use any video. There you can add your own audio or you can post it first to other platform using your own audio. Now what you're going to do here is you have to simply create new account or use other account, not your main original account, and then you're going to post the video here with your own audio. It could be because of you screen record it or if you have your own audio or video with audio. So I'm going to select and look for that video with my own audio or own music, and I'm going to post it here on my second account. Suppose that this is the video with my own audio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this post to my account. So let me tap on next and then post this video with my own audio. So tap on next right here and then post this one. Once this video is now visible or uploaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this via message or Instagram Messenger to my main account. And this is what it looks like. Here's the video with my own audio. I have posted. Tap on share. Click my real account here and then send this to my real account. After that, I'm going to open my real account here on Instagram. So let me log out this one first. Open my Instagram Messenger and then click this video right here. Tap on this profile icon. As you can see, I will use the audio that I have created or my own audio using this message from my second account. I'm going to tap this one and I'm going to use this for my Instagram story. And basically, that's how easy it is to add your own music to Instagram story. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.